Hello everybody, I'm very glad to meet you again. In this pre-lesson video, we'll take a look of lesson 11, what is cycle problems. When we look back, we have learned patterns in sequence. For example, we would have some number patterns or shape patterns. And in this lesson, we will learn cycle problems. One. And in the future, we would have more difficult cycle problems about days, about calendar, or about some different kinds of things. Well, first of all, everybody, when you see cycle, what kind of things will come to mind? Well, maybe a bicycle? Yeah, that's a kind of a cycle. But what is a cycle in math? Well, it is quite similar as what we have learned before, a pattern. And when we talk about cycle, it is a repeated pattern in a sequence. And in this lesson, we would learn to find understand the definition of what is cycle, as well as try to use this cycle to solve different kinds of problems. So, before that, let's take a look at our let's get ready part. What do we have? Question 1. Spot the patterns and fill in the blanks. So the first question, we have some triangles. Can anybody find the pattern and circle it? Yes, we can. Of course, I find it. So I find the patterns is like I have the white triangle, gray triangle, white triangle, gray triangle, white triangle, gray triangle. And these two triangles are in a group and I repeat it. Repeat it again and again. So we would say this repeated pattern is a cycle. So what's the next triangle? Well, we know this circle, it starts from a white triangle and ends as a gray triangle. So the next one, if we end as a gray triangle, would start a new cycle again. So we would have a white triangle. And how about the next one? Can you find the cycle first? Great job. So we know the triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square. Repeat it again and again. So we would consider triangle, circle, square is a cycle. This cycle, it has 3 shapes and starts with triangle, ends with square. So what's the next shape can we have? Well, we find the cycle has ends at square. So we would start a new cycle, which is a triangle. Very well done. That is for question 1. We have spotted some patterns in shapes. Then how about question 2? Well, I will leave everybody some seconds to take a look at it and please choose your answer. You can pause the video for a few seconds and make your choice. Welcome back. Let's take a look at this question. First of all, can everybody circle the cycle here? Yes, we have a yellow, yellow, pink, and I don't know this, yellow, pink, yellow, yellow, pink. So we know the pattern is like yellow, yellow, pink, yellow, yellow, pink, yellow, yellow, pink. So what's the missing diamond here? Well, it should be the yellow one, right? Because we know the circle, it starts from a yellow diamond and then has a pink diamond, and we have 2 yellow diamonds. Again, it's always yellow, yellow, pink. So the missing one should be yellow one. Great job. That's what we have as cycle. Very well done. So let's move on to question 3. First of all, please read the question and find what we are going to do in this question. You can pause the video for a few seconds and go back to see it with me. Great, welcome back. Let's take a look at this question. This is Bart's necklace. The beads on the necklace are arranged in a certain pattern. Try to find the missing part in a rectangle. So first of all, can anybody find what the pattern is on the necklace? Great, it's pretty easy for you now. So we have 3 white beads, black beads, 3 white beads, black beads, and we have this group repeat again and again, and we have 3 white beads and black beads. So we would find we have a few cycles here, and the cycle starts from white beads and ends as the black beads. So we'll find before this rectangle, a complete cycle has ends, and after this rectangle we have a new cycle starts. So in this rectangle we should have the same cycle. So which one should we choose? Great. The cycle is white, 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 black. So we'll choose B. Great work. So this is what we have for the pre-lesson part. And if you did a really great job for this part, I believe you will make an excellent job in our lesson 11. And we're looking forward to see you in our lesson.